Hey there, tea and trumpets. We're a team here in Amazon, but are you the brand they click or the one they skip? My name is Chris, and I am a junior sales team lead here at my Amazon guy. And in this video, I'm going to talk about your traffic and your conversion. But before that, I'd love to congratulate you for receiving Amazon's Choice Badge in your listing. I know how competitive this category can be, so having said that, it's a job well done. Now let me show you the tool that we are using to track your keyword performance. So right now you've got over 600 total keywords, organics over 400, but you're also bidding low when it comes to your paid keywords and it can still be improved. Well, would recommend to see a 1:2 ratio wherein for every one paid keyword would recommend to have at least two organic keywords. Also, try to check out the word cloud that we have here because these are the most important keywords for your listing, and there are still thousands of additional keywords that you can index for. And organic keywords helps you get seen on Amazon without paying for ads. Down here are the keywords recommended by Amazon, and let me just sort it out from highest search volume to the lowest one. So I have some relevant keywords for you. One of them is the green tea. I also have here organic green tea, and another one would be decaf green tea. So great job because you have been organically ranking for some high search relevant keywords here. However, if you also noticed, most of your organic ranks are still in double to triple digits, and that only means that you are still pages deep. Good thing that we can help you move your ranking up for better visibility, and we can also help you index to the most relevant keywords for your listing for free and with a lower A gloss. Now, when it comes to your paid keywords, we do also have a suggested PPC bid. These are the amounts that you are expected to bid for your ads to be seen on these high search relevant keywords. But of course, we need to further discuss this so we can make sure that you will be targeting the right keywords. At the same time, you won't be overspending on your ads. Plus, I can also help you get these keyword export for free if you decide to book your free consultation call with us today. Now let's take a look how big your category is on Amazon for the keyword organic green tea. So just in the top of the listings on one keyword, there's more than $12.4 million in a monthly revenue, and it looks like to me that there's a lot of market shares still available for you to take advantage of. We can help increase your market shares through SEO by utilizing conversion and click-through rate as part of our SEO strategy. Down here are your competitors, and most of them sold hundreds and thousands of products, and just look at their revenue sales. This could be you with just proper listing optimization too. Now we can take a look deeper into one of your competitors, but we're not doing any product comparison here, especially that there is a difference when it comes to the quality, the quantity, and the pricing, though our main goal here is to just look at how we can benefit from their strategy. So starting with their total keywords, they've got over 1100, and it's obvious that they have way more keywords here. That means that they have better visibility, and this could be one of the reasons as to why they have a monthly net sales of 500 plus. Currently, yours is at 100 plus. So the gaps are huge, but we can definitely help you close the gaps. The question is, how are we going to help you with your keywords, especially with your organic keywords? So that is where we duplicate the words that has the highest search volumes into your listing, and we want to look at least 10 competitors for running keyword gap analysis, as indexing to high search relevant keywords will also help you index to more customers. Now let's also talk about your product detail page. So great job for having a listing health score of 8.6 out of 10. I'm also pretty amazed of how creative your images are. So having said that, it's a job well done. What I would recommend is to also add a video of your product because that will help your product detail page's credibility too. What also caught my attention is your title because it can still be maximized. So if you can flash out 200 field with SEO, then that would be perfect. Great job with your bullets right here. Just make sure that you update this regularly as SEO is not set and forget. Let's go down with your A plus content. So there's not really much in here yet, but I have a sample for you, and you might want to take advantage of having a brand story. So it looks like a scrollable carousel and it will help you free up space so your buyer won't click any competitors' ads. You can also load up more templates and hyperlinks because this could be a deciding factor between you and your competitors. You can also add a product grid as it will help you increase your average order value by cross-linking products, copies, and scrollable text. Those are the text outside of images, something that you can highlight infographic as well as videos and large image here. Well, I know that it's quite a lot of information already, but here's at me, Amazon Guy. We are a full service digital marketing agency and we manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend that driving more than 1.2 billion for our clients. Our team is also hands-on across every pillar of growth, may it be in PPC, SEO, catalog troubleshooting, creatives, or even brand protection. So whether you're losing rank or overspending on ads, you bring data back strategies that deliver real results. So if you found this video helpful, just click the link below. Thank you for watching.